Hey sweet babies, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. If you like fragrance, vlogs, skincare, makeup, real people, and real talk, definitely subscribe to my channel. Y'all, it's been a minute since y'all see my face. I miss y'all. I got a couple of videos to record, but I wanted to pop in real quick and let y'all know that Jumbo Shop is having a sale. Parfums de Marly and bond number 9 is on sale. Now, if you already know what you want, girl, go on and click the link and go on and get to shopping. But if you need some help on what you should get for the spring and summer, I got you. Now, I don't know about y'all, but I know that sometimes I like to buy off season. So, you know, prices are lower and they are more available. So if you know that you've been wanting Tribeca since, you know, the cold weather or New York nights and those type of bond number 9 fragrances, or any of the Parfums de Marly's like out there, like all of those, go in there and go on and get them now. You know what I'm saying? Because if you wait till fall, winter, girl, people be on them. They cost more and, you know, they might get sold out. But, so first let's start with the scent of the day, which is your good girl, Valaya. So, well, I actually layer Valaya with bitter peach, but you know I be doing stuff, girl. But yeah, today's scent is definitely Valaya. Now, I ain't gonna hold y'all. Me and Valaya used to tussle. We used to tussle. But baby, once I wore her out in the elements, she showed her ass. She showed it. Now this is the aldehydic musky floral fragrance. So if you like fragrances like Fleur de Narcotique, is it Fleur de Narcotique? Girl, I've been out the fragrance game for a minute, y'all. Don't even know the fragrances. But yeah, by Ex Nihilo, I believe. Yeah, then you would like this because they are super similar. They smell the same to me, but you know. But if you like that, you would like this. This is definitely a strong floral and a strong musk. Not animalic, very much so a soft musk. I feel like you get that ambrox scent and that wood. I don't get a lot of sweetness from this. I really get the woodiness, the florals, the musk, and definitely the aldehydes. So this is something that just wears so well out in the elements. Like, it lingers through the air. Long lasting? Yes, it is. Yes, it is. She gonna last you all day and tomorrow. Okay, all day and tomorrow. So this is also something good to layer with, especially if you have fragrances that don't last long, because you put that on top of this. You gonna smell it. It's gonna be there, girl. It's gonna be there. So this is the scent of the day, and I highly recommend her for spring. I think it's so good in the spring. So definitely try Valaya if you have not. So I'm gonna go ahead and go through the Parfums de Marly's real quick, and then I'll jump into the bond number 9. So Oriana. I personally enjoy wearing Oriana in the spring. I feel like that sweet, thick, bubblegummy, orange blossom, you know, fluffy, marshmallowy smell is so good in the spring. It's not too sweet, you know, because sometimes in the heat, some fragrances can be too sweet, but sometimes fragrances need a little heat. So, you know, you can really smell them and pump up the volume. You know what I'm saying? So if you ever heard people say that, you know, Oriana doesn't last for them, I personally don't have that problem, but I'm an oversprayer. Okay, but at the same time, when you wear something like this in the heat, that sweetness comes out. It's more sugary and fluffy, marshmallowy, and all of that, and I feel like it lasts longer in the heat, especially if you got a good, nice moisturizing body care for it to stick to, girl. But if you like bubblegummy, marshmallowy, orange blossom, all of the things with a little bit of citrus, get Oriana. I feel like if you're into that new Kayali Rock Sugar, you would like that. If you like Mallow by Soradora, if you like Love Don't Be Shy, if you like Sundays by Byredo, you would like Oriana too. A lot of us know that Cassili just doesn't get the love that she deserves. I really like Cassili. I feel like this is a quote unquote tropical Parfums de Marly. It's the most tropical to me. You know what I'm saying? It feel like it's definitely plum in here, but it smells like it's peach. It's like you get some kind of sweet, creamy, maybe frangipani or something like that. Let me see what the notes is, girl. Because when I say I done been out the game for a minute, y'all, I done forgot notes and everything. I used to know what it is. Well, in the main, of course, it does say tropical. Okay, your girl know what she talking about. Okay, I know what I'm talking about. Frangipani is in here. Okay, let me find out you ain't missed the beat. So, okay. But yeah, red currants, frangipani, plum, mimosa, vanilla, sandalwood. Yeah, like it's like a sweet, floral, creamy type of Parfums de Marly. It's kind of like Oriana, to where you wear this in the heat, it projects better, it performs better, it lasts longer. It just works better for me in the heat. Like this, I would never stand up in the cold for me. So yeah, I feel like I could layer this with Valaya too. Let me find out. I'm coming up with stuff in the lab right now. But yeah, girl, this, I don't know why people sleep on this, especially if you like tropical type of fragrances. Now, this isn't like giving you coconut, vanilla, like it's not that kind of tropical, but this is like tropical done in a PDM way. Not PMD. Okay, we definitely ain't letting the summer go by without Delina La Rose. Like, we're just not doing it, okay? Delina La Rose is always going to give you your Delina vibes, but in a nice, clean, aquatic, you know, not watered down, but very much so fresher type of way, if that makes sense. So, girl, she performs like she's supposed to. She's not missing a beat on that just because she has that lighter, more watery type of texture, but... yeah, yeah, this goes hard in the summertime, y'all. It's so clean and fresh and just still gives you that rose floral type of feel. Yeah, girl, I've been missing her, honey. And like I said, you can still wear her in the spring, but in the summer, she hits. And I feel like if Delina and Delina Exclusive were a little bit too much for you, like the florals was just too much, the rose was just too much, maybe you should try La Rose, because it is a little dialed back with the rose if you're not particularly a super fan of rose. I'm a super fan of rose, okay? I love me some rose, but I feel like this one dials it back a little bit and makes it a little more fresher, lighter, cleaner, you know what I'm saying? So give this a try if those were too much for you, because a lot of people that did not like Delina and Delina Exclusive, they actually did like La Rose. Last for Parfums de Marly, certainly not least, is Meliora, honey. Meliora. Now, this is going to give you your black currant, juicy, fruity type of feel. I have not been reaching for these in so long, but girl, spring is just now kicking in. I know all y'all talking about summer already, but girl, spring is just now kicking in here, okay? And Meliora just smells so good. This is one that it doesn't perform as well as the others, but I feel like you have to wear this in the heat. This is perfect in the summertime, in the heat. Like if it's warm already, like super hot wherever you are, this is your girl. I do feel like you need to spray heavy with this. That ain't a problem for me, okay? But if you normally don't spray heavy, spray a little heavier with this because the smell of it is so worth it. It's just so pretty, girly, feminine with that perfect amount of fruitiness to it. Like, Meliora is a beautiful, beautiful fragrance. It does get a bad rap for the performance, but honey, if you spray like you're supposed to spray, you moisturize like you're supposed to be moisturized, and you know you got your shoulders out and the heat is popping on you, you're gonna smell it. So I only chose 5 Parfums de Marly, and I only chose 5 Bond number 9s. Now this was hard because I have about 9 or 10. So this was hard, but I picked out the best ones for spring and summer. First, let's start with Greenwich Village, and I'm starting with Greenwich Village because I feel like this is pretty much a good all year round type of fragrance. Now I do feel like you have to enjoy fragrances like Baccarat to like this, because they're not the same, but they kind of give the same similar vibe. This has a sweetness from praline. So just like Baccarat has that sweet, airy kind of, you know, scent, this kind of has that same type of thing. The Embrox scent makes it float through the air and like really like last on me. Like this, I sprayed on my clothes. Of course, I sprayed on me. And I had, you know, left some clothes in here actually, laying on this chair, and came back in the room the next day and it smelled like Greenwich Village in here. It just smelled so good. Like I feel like the longevity on this is great. So like I said, it has that praline, it has that Embrox scent, so you kind of get that Baccarat vibe, but it has that nice lychee in there, little water lily to keep it like nice, airy, and a little, you know, it gives that summertime vibe. Even though you can wear this all year round, I feel like this is that type of fragrance that conforms to the season, if that makes sense. So yeah, girl, if you like those type of fragrances, you have to have Greenwich Village. Like, you just have to. Some people even love Greenwich Village that did not like Baccarat, so take that tea. For my white floral lovers, Astor Place. Astor Place is so pretty. Like, this is one of my favorite white florals. Like, if you like white florals that are clean, a little soapy, if you like Creed Love in White, I feel like you would like this. If you like a Deja Vu White Flower, you would like this. I feel like Deja Vu White Flower is sweeter than this. This isn't as sweet. This is more like clean, soapy, fresh, elegant type of florals. You know what I'm saying? Like, this is when you are cute casual, you're cute casual, and it's a little elevated, you know what I'm saying? So, and you can definitely wear this out, date night, date, whatever, you know, like that. So I personally really enjoy Astor Place. This is such a good clean white floral. Some people may think it's a little mature. I think it's very much so elegant. Now if you're more into a floral that is sweet and fruity and fun, flirty, you know, not as serious, go with Nolita. This right here smells so good. Some people say it smells designer. I feel like it still has that Bond number 9 DNA and doesn't smell designer. but it's definitely giving florals with some nice like fruitiness. This gets compliments. This is like one of my most complimented by number 9. Now, Afterplace has freesia in it. I love freesia. This has freesia in it too, so I get that tangerine and that freesia. Like, it's really much so a fruity floral, and like I said, it's definitely a compliment getter. It's easy to wear, it's fun, it's flirty, but still not juvenile by any means. So I love this fragrance for sure for spring, for summer. Like, girl, you could dress it up, you could dress it down. Highly recommend Nolita. Gold Coast, I feel like a lot of people don't give Gold Coast love, but girl, Gold Coast is perfect, especially in the summertime. So this has like watermelon in it, rose, apple. Like, it smells so good. This smells like if you took Meliora, Eaten Juicy Apple, and Delina La Rose and mix those up all together. That is what Gold Coast smells like to me. It's just watery, a little fruity, a little rosy. Like, this in the summertime, so good. It's not super beast mode like super, but you definitely have a good sillage with this, and you can definitely, I get pretty good performance with this too. But it's so light, airy, and watery. You have to wear this in the heat. It's perfect for a hot day. Lastly, scent of peace for her. This is that juicy, watery, aquatic black currant. If you love black currant and you like it juicy, watery, aquatic, fresh, clean, something perfect for a hot day, this is the one you're gonna go for. I feel like it has pretty good longevity. You can wear it to brunch, you can wear it to lunch, all of that. It's definitely a daytime fun, airy fragrance. Super feminine, super girly, and I just love this down. Y'all see where I'm at. I'm trying not to dig into it too hard, you know, for the summer this year, because I don't want to let it go. But oh girl, yeah, you can just wear this like anywhere during the day. It's so fresh, and it just makes you feel cooled off, if that makes sense. And I have the same feeling when I wear Gold Coast. It feels like it cools you down. Do y'all have fragrances when you wear it in the heat you feel a little cooler than it actually is? That's what this does, and that's what Gold Coast does. So those are my top 5 Parfums de Marly and by number 9 fragrances for the spring and summer. So if you have been looking for them, girl, they are on sale right now. Make sure you click the link down in the description box. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, comment, share, and of course subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.